How to register online banking on Chinabank. First things first, you have to keep in mind that if you will be registering their first account that you would like to open on Chinabank, you won't be able to do this whole process or method if you do this on their official website. What you need to do instead is just simply open up any available app store that you have on your phone and then just look for Chinabank mobile application. From here, just simply install the application and then just simply open it. For you to be able to have a smooth process, you need to get your details or documents first so that you can run the application smoothly. Open up the application, and this is going to be your home interface. Tap on Get Started, and then just choose on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. Just simply hit on OK from this portion, and then you will be redirected to choose whether if you would like to use an ATM, cash card, using internet banking access, or any other feature. You simply complete the full process and you will completely made yourself a China Bank account. That's it. That's how you register online banking in China Bank.